Hello kid, welcome back. Learn English alphabet A B C D. Small letter English alphabet. A for apple. A for apple. B for banana. B for banana. C for cat. C for cat. D for doll. D for doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grape. G for grape. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for coin. Q for coin. R for rose. R for rose. S for swan. S for swan. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for uniform. U for uniform. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, kid. Bye.